She got the hiccups now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that baby. Got the hiccups. Oh, hi, baby. Oh, whoa.
Here, you want to look at Daddy while you eat?
Yeah, look at me. Just the size of Daddy will make you hungry. We're a well-fed family. Come on.
It's not for Mommy's good cooking, though. Sorry to tell you that.
Come on, you can do it.
You can do it.
Hiccups.
She always had the hiccups when I was pregnant. Always. She's a hiccupy kind of girl. Yeah, she's a hiccupy kind of girl.
Yum, 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 yum. Hi, baby Ellie. Oh. Whoa. Look at that arm swinging around. What's that? Your face. Hey guys, is there something going in my nose? I feel something. I'm not sure. The corner of my eye, I see something. There you go.
Oh, do you hear your roommate? Yeah.
How's she doing on the bottom?
Oh, slow. You're just a bunch of crybabies in here.